Hey, how's it going? And today I'm going to show you how to fade a character into the backdrop. And we do this by using the fog effect here. And so with the min and max distance set to 0 and the min amount set to 0, we have to have the backdrop on. And all we have to do is if we go into the graphic editor, so I'll just show you if I drag this up to 100%, I can actually, if I just want to make the object translucent, I can. But if I go all the way up to 100, I can actually fade the object completely away. So, and to automate that, we just go into the graph editor and I can, up here, I'm just clicking down. I can select that, make sure that's selected. And we want to go from 0 to 100%. And then of course here we can smooth that out a little bit by adjusting those. And if we come back in here and I go to the beginning and I hit play, I can make the character fade away. I can either make him fade completely or just make him translucent. And that is all I had for today. I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great weekend.